The Classic Plus tap is designed to easily dispense drinking water with intuitive operation and continuous flow options. The Classic Plus tap can be installed on a font or sink. The tap should be installed in a position where it's easy to use and dispense drinking water. For best installation, Zip recommends installation of the Classic Plus on a font. This makes operation easy as the tap is facing the user. Zip has a range of fonts to choose from. This is the font raised. To install it, use the supplied template to correctly mark out the holes on the benchtop. Drill the holes. These tap holes were pre-drilled. Prepare the font raised by fitting the threaded rod to the front of the font. Fit the raised font to the bench and tighten the washer and nut to the front thread. Next, fit the tap extension thread to the Classic Plus tap. Using the provided tap nut, join the two threads. Fit the tap spacer to the font raised. Slide the tap extension over the hoses and USB cable. Fit the tap to the font raised by sliding the hoses through the tap hole. Fit the tap washer and spider clamp, making sure each hose and the USB cable are in separate quadrants of the spider clamp. Tighten the nut and make sure the tap is fitted straight on the font raised. For sink installations, make sure the Classic Plus is positioned so it will be easy to use. Make sure the Classic Plus tap reaches into the sink before drilling the tap hole. Fit the tap spacer to the drilled tap hole. Feed the silicone hoses and USB cable through the bench. Fit the tap washer and spider clamp, making sure each hose is in a separate quadrant of the clamp. Tighten the nut and make sure the tap is secure. Once the Classic Plus tap is secure, cut the silicone hoses to length and connect the USB cable to the command center. Please also watch the command center installation video that suits your product to finalize the installation of your HydroTap.